Okay, question 24 is as follows. A tracksuit normally costs £75. In a sale, the price was reduced by 15%. Calculate the sale price of the tracksuit. Okay, so to solve this one, what we're going to start with, we are going to write the normal price of the tracksuit, which is £75, then minus the reduction we're told is 15%, so we say 15 over 100, then times £75. Okay, so we find, first of all, before we write the number, we write the amount, the actual price, that is £75, then minus, then we work out what is in brackets. So the number that can go into 175 is 25, so 25 into 100 it's 4, then 25 into 75 it is 3, then 3 times 15 will give us 3 times 15 will give us 45. Sorry, it should be £45. It will give us 40. Let me just lab this for here, it's confusing me. Okay, it will give us 45 pounds, which will be over 4, the one I rubbed here, the one which was here, 4. Then we close bracket, then we have £75, okay, minus, so we say, we go to our calculator and say 45 divided by 4 will give us 11 minus 11 pounds 0.25. This was the deduction. Let me just count, check the answer. Okay, that is correct. 11.25 pounds, that was the deduction, that was the money represented by 15%. Then we subtract that, we say 75 minus 11.25 will give us the cost of 63.75. I'm sure that is the answer. Yeah, 63.75 pounds, and that was the cost of the tracksuit. Okay, that was the cost of the tracksuit. Now we come to question B, 24B, which is it is here, that is 24B. The question is, the following week the shop displayed this sign. The following week the shop displayed this sign. Final stock clearance, a further 20% off all the sale prices. Show that the tracksuit now costs 51 pounds. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to come up with an expression which is the cost, it was reduced to 63, so we are going to say 63.7, this should be pounds, 0.75 minus, then we say 20% over 100 in brackets times 63.75 close bracket, just like we did earlier on. So 63.75 will be like that until we finish what is in the brackets. So what we do is we multiply the number on top, because I don't want to have difficulties in finding the common factor of 63.75 and 100. So we're going to multiply that. So we say 63.75 times 20, which should give us 1000. So we are going to have something like in brackets we say 1275, this should be pounds, over 100. Okay, we cross bracket like that, and then what we remain with is going to be this 63 pounds point 75 minus, then we say 1275 divided by that will give us 12.75. okay, will give us 12.75. now since we have reached here down, let me go on top there, let me go on top and finish up this expression. So this is what we have. So what we're going to do now, well, I can just put the equal sign this side. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to punch in these numbers. So we have got 63.75 minus 12.75 will give us 51. So the answer there is 51 pounds. Okay, 51 pounds, that is the answer. Now it was asking us to show that the tracksuit now costs 51 pounds. We are asked to show that the tracksuit now costs 51 pounds. Now this way we have shown that the tracksuit costs 51 pounds. Okay, so if you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Question 24C is as follows. Lays says, I'm getting 15% off, then 20% off, so I'm getting 35% off the 75 pounds. Is it correct? You must show working to explain your answer. Okay, so now what I want to remind you is when there was a deduction of 15% for the tracksuit, the tracksuit was costing about 63.75 pounds. Okay, when there was an extension of 20%, the coat costed about 51 pounds. Okay, so now when he's saying it's the same, when he says it's the same as having 35%, so we asked to show our working to see if it's correct. So meaning if we calculate and we find that the cost will be 51 pounds, then is correct, but if it's not, then is not correct. So let's go ahead and calculate what will be the value of 35% of the 75 pounds tracksuit. So we're going to come up with an expression which is 35% over 100, or 35 over 100 times 75 pounds. Okay, so what we do now is we find the number that can go into 175, that is 25. So 25 in 100 it will be 4, 25 in 75 it will be 3, then we multiply 35 times 3 will give us 105 over 4. Okay, then we say 105 divided by 4, so we say 105 divided by 4 will give us 26.25. so the answer will be 26.25. 26.25 will be the answer. So this is the discount. Okay, then now we want to check if he is correct. This is the discount that he will be put on the tracksuit. Then we subtract 75 pounds minus 26.25. 0.25. Okay, then what will be our answer? Let's go ahead and punch in these numbers. So we have 75 minus 26.25 will give us 48.75 as the final sale for this tracksuit. So 48.75, that will be our answer. Okay, now we come here. This is the answer I've gotten, and if this discount of 35% was given at once, this is what the tracksuit could have been bought, or could have been sold. It could have been sold at 48.75 pounds. Now, since it was given in parts, that's why it costed 51. So we know that Lay's was not correct. So the answer, we are saying, is Lay correct? The answer is no. Right? Why? Because the costs are different. I know you can come out differently, but this will symbolize that the costs are different. This will also symbolize that the answer we found is not the same as the one we found earlier on. So basically, these are the correct. This is the correct answer. So if you have got questions, please you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, this is how you work out to show that Lay is not correct.